In vain I have struggled. It will not do. My feelings will not be repressed. You must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire and love you. In declaring myself thus, I am fully aware that I will be going expressly against the wishes of my family, my friends, and I hardly need add my own better judgment. The relative situation of our families is such that any alliance between us must be regarded as a highly reprehensible connection. Indeed, as a rational man, I cannot but regard it as such myself, but it cannot be helped. Almost from the earliest moments of our acquaintance, I have come to feel for you a passionate admiration and regard, which, despite all my struggles, has overcome every rational objection, and I beg you most fervently to relieve my suffering and consent to be my wife.
In such cases as these, I believe the established mode is to express a sense of obligation. But I cannot. I have never desired your good opinion, and you have certainly bestowed it most unwillingly. I'm sorry to cause pain to anyone, but it was most unconsciously done, and I hope will be of short duration.
I'm asking you to marry me.
Do you expect me to thank you for this extraordinary offer of marriage? Am I supposed to feel flattered that you have so overcome your aversion to my family that you're ready to marry into it?
U om uw ja-woord verzoeken.
Het is naar mijn gewoonte om in ieder geval dank te betuigen voor een dergelijk aanzoek.
Oh, nee, alstublieft, geen dank.
Wees u gerust, meneer Darcy. Want ik ben alleen maar in staat uiting te geven aan een dankbaarheid die ik ook werkelijk voel.
Juffrouw Bennet?
En de vurigheid van wat u nu beweegt, laat mij daarom koud. Omdat ik deze nimmer heb willen opwekken. En u het zo kennelijk betreurt dat u dit, ondanks mijzelf, toch hebt gedaan.
To ask for your hand in marriage.
If I could feel gratitude for what you have just said, sir, I would now thank you, but I cannot. I have never desired your good opinion, and you have certainly bestowed it most unwillingly. The feelings which you tell me have long prevented your proposal can have little difficulty in overcoming my refusal.
You accept my hand in marriage?
I believe it is the established custom for a lady to thank a gentleman for the sentiments he avows at such a moment, however little she returns them. If I could feel gratitude, I would thank you, but I cannot.
I don't understand.
I love you. Most ardently. Please do me the honor of accepting my hand.
Sir, I appreciate the struggle you have been through, and I am very sorry to have caused you pain. Believe me, it was unconsciously done.
I have struggled long and hard. I've tried in vain to quieten the feelings I have for you, knowing that such a match would in so many ways be a dereliction of duty to my rank. Not to speak of the connection to your family, whose status is so decidedly beneath my own. Nevertheless...
You come here to tell me you like me against your will, your reason, and even your character. Can you not see the insult in that?